Very good morning and happy Monday to all the beautiful, wonderful, creative, healthy, and amazing listeners. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. Well, today I want to talk about goals and processes. The idea cropped up while I was traveling to a different state. Goals and processes are just like destinations and travel. When you travel somewhere, the the opportunity to travel can sometimes be overwhelming. You have to decide where to travel to and where to stay, and then you plan your travel, and it's a complete process. It's a lyrical experience when you reach your destination. But what about the journey? Is that even important? According to one of my favorite life coaches, Jim Rohn, the major benefit of setting goals isn't achieving your goal. It's what you do and the person you become in order to achieve your goal. So for me, when it comes to setting goals and achieving them, the process becomes very dominant. And the other day, I was reading this article about styles of goal setting. There are two styles, process goal and outcome goal. And I realized process goal is something that I prefer. If you want, you can Google and study more on process goal and outcome goal. This episode is all about understanding the importance of process over the goal. I would share my perspective. So setting a goal is the first step. It is like deciding your destination. And there are obviously many ways to reach your destination when you're traveling, and the same holds true even for goals. Now, why do I think the process is more important than the goal? And like I said, I'm sharing my perspective, and this is what I believe, that process is more important than the goal, and there are a few reasons for that. First off, setting a goal is all about where and why, where you want to go and why you want to go, because if you have enough reasons and enough whys, it becomes easy to decide the where part. The process is all about how you are going to go there. Now when you only focus on the goal, it becomes your obsession. Now, I'm not saying that's a bad sign, but sometimes when you're so consumed by your goal, you're willing to even compromise your standards. You only look for ways to achieve your goal. And with that attitude, sometimes you won't even achieve your goal. But if you're focused on the process, you will achieve something bigger than your goal, if not the goal. The goal gives you a direction, and process is all about the road you take to achieve that goal. The process is all about being in the present moment, mastering a few things, and it is significant because it seems like your goals are in the future, but when you achieve them, they will actually become your present. I want to share with you a few lines from two books, Bringers of the Light and Present Moment, Wonderful Moment. I want to share these lines because they really resonate with this topic of goal versus process. So this one is from Bringers of the Light. Your function is to create the point of your life. In doing so, you create yourself. You decide who and what you really are and who you are going to be. And the second book, Present Moment, Wonderful Moment, it gives you mindful verses for everyday living. It says, when we're driving, we tend to think of arriving, and we sacrifice the journey for the sake of arrival. But life is to be found in the present moment and not in the future. I mean, if you think about it, it really places emphasis on the theme of the process. You decide what you want to become, what your goal is, and to achieve the goal, you need to create a new you. It's no longer about the goal only. It's now about you, what you become in the process, and if it is becoming on you. Now the latter part, if it is the right way, it would definitely look good on you. Let's say you want to become the most successful business person, that is your goal. And even when you achieve it, you still have to focus on the process. You need to provide top-notch services, right? So when you start a business or want to become the most successful business person, or you want to become a programming expert, start a podcast, get good grades, for that matter, decide what your goal is and why you want to achieve it. Okay, so that's goal setting. You set a goal. Let's talk about the process now. If you're trying to find the right ways to do it, you will unleash your potential. But if you go the wrong way, you will not become confident in your craft. Not having anything to offer in terms of advice or guidance, trying to take the short path will not give you the confidence to showcase your skills. You're obviously not caring about others enough, because when you're successful, others look up to you and they want to know, they want to do the same thing you did to reach there. And if you're following the wrong way, we're talking about process now. So what are you going to tell them? Do you care enough for them to follow the right way to achieve long-lasting success? The best way to focus on the process is to focus on the present moment. That's the only time you have. You need to establish the foundation now. Start working now. And to go the right way, you need to decide what you are offering, how others will benefit from it, how it will change their lives. And more than anything else, ask yourself, how does it make you feel? Is it making you a better person? Did you start waking up early? You became more creative? You became a good learner? Humble, knowing you don't know everything? Refining your skills? Enhancing your personality and demeanor? You become confident, and with that, you become confident when you're following the right way. And with that, you're not afraid of failures. You know you can start it all over again if you fail, and if you become successful, you can guide others. And that is why I love the process. And it gives you something more than the actual goal. It gives you happiness, the joy you will achieve when you get to your goal, but it gives you all of it way before you reach the goal itself. Let me know what your thoughts are, if you prefer the process style or outcome style, and how do you plan your process? In other words, your action steps after setting a goal. If you like this podcast, please give it a like and share it with someone you care about. To subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss any Monday podcast. Keep loving yourself, improving yourself, be kind to one another. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next Monday with another Happy Monday podcast.